Introduce early coding concepts and encourage your students to develop 21st century skills with KUBO. KUBO enables you to customize your classroom experience, whether you want to use hands-on materials, digital learning tools, or combine them for a unique blended learning experience. If you want hands-on learning, look no further than the KUBO coding set, which enables students to explore functions, loops, and subroutines by snapping together the KUBO tag tiles, which are just like pieces of a puzzle. The KUBO hands-on experience can be extended by simply adding more tag tile sets to your collection. Teach early math concepts using KUBO Math. Extend your learners' coding prowess and explore concepts like time, speed, distance, and direction by adding KUBO Coding Plus. Finally, KUBO Coding Plus Plus offers students the option to work with more complex concepts, like events, variables, and conditions. KUBO Play enables students to learn and practice coding in a digital environment and makes learning fun with more than 100 game-like tasks that also cover ISTE standards. With KUBO Play, kids can explore coding concepts through 3 modes of learning. Free Play mode provides a space for students to unfold their creativity, try out new ideas, and create their own codes or stories. Students can strengthen their knowledge and practice the coding concepts they've learned with Practice Mode. And Story Mode is the main coding journey for KUBO Play. Throughout the story, KUBO will meet and help new friends. KUBO Play also includes a learning management system, making it easy to assign online coding tasks and track student progress. KUBO and KUBO Play are designed to teach students how to code before they can even read and write. Combine the KUBO coding set with KUBO Play for a blended learning experience in your classroom. To get you started, you'll find a variety of free resources in the KUBO portal, including product guides, lesson plans, cross-curricular activities, classroom resources, and a map maker tool. Ready to learn more? Head to pitsco.com/KUBO. Kickstart your students' coding journey with KUBO.